The idea of Cournot is based on two followers. So you have one follower. Okay, let's say producer 1, and another one, producer 2. So I said followers because the way they behave is like they always believe, they always think in the other one, right? This one is thinking about this one, and this one is thinking about this one. But at the same time, he thinks the other one is not going to react, is not going to consider what he does. And number two thinks that number one is going to ignore him. So basically, they can say, he ignores me. And the other one say, he ignores me. Ignores me. So you always think, number two thinks, that the variation of the quantity of 1 in relation with the variation of quantity of 2 is 0. And this one thinks that the variation of quantity of 2 in relation to the variation of quantity of 1 is 0. So there is no reaction. So let's put an example for a linear equation. Let's assume that we are talking about a market where price depends linearly in the quantity. So you will have here an intercept that represents anything that could affect the price, and then negative with the quantity. Here is a coefficient, could be any number, and then Q. And Q, of course, is going to be split into two parts. The part produced by 1 and the part produced by 2. So now let's optimize how is going to be the decision for firm 1. So firm 1 wants to maximize his benefit. The profit is going to be the total revenue minus total cost. The total revenue is price, which is the same for both, times Q1 minus cost. Now the price you have here, how to develop, right? So we replace like this. And now we multiply some basic multiplication here. Sorry, I forgot this. Then we have so now we're in a situation to